My name is Kia Billingsley, better known as Tech Chose Me, back again with another video today. I just wanted to do this quick case review walkthrough video. As you can see, guys, I have an Otterbox for my iPhone XR. Hold on, let me see if I can get that to focus. Come on. It's not focusing, guys, but trust me, that says Otterbox. And I'm going to put it on the device right now. Two-part cases, guys. You know what Otterbox cases are. They've been having these forever, but they're good protection. Yes, it makes the phone bulky, but yes, you're going to be protected. So it comes with 3 parts. You get the front part, the back part, and the rubbery case that you put on the outside, guys. So pick up your iPhone XR. I always shut mine off. I always like to put the front in first. It's the best way for me to do it. Then I flip it over. Hold on. You got to make sure it's in there good. Then I take the back, throw the back on there. The key to this is to make sure it snaps. Once those snap, you're good to go. Then you want to take the silicone, rubbery, whatever you want to call it, part. Put the shell on the back like this. Make sure all of those spots are, make sure it sits in the right grooves. Let me fix something here. Make sure it's in there. Because if it's not in there tight, the case will not perform the right way. So you just go around the whole case, making sure it's in there. Once it's in there good, this is what the device will look like. Yes, it adds a ton of bulk to it. A ton of bulk. But I'd rather have a bulky case on my device, because that way I know that my cell phone is protected. I have a plastic screen protector on here. I have to get some tempered glass, but like I said, it's good protection. Yes, it's thick, but I can go like that all day long and I don't have to worry about it. I can chunk this up against the wall, throw it outside, you know, roll it around on the floor like this or whatever, and I am clearly protected because you have that big nice cutout for your camera, as you can see. It won't focus, but you can see. Then you have a cutout for the Apple logo. You have a big nice cutout for the front of the device, but you have this big old lip all around the device. So if it drops, you're good to go, guys. These cases are mainly focused on people that have like heavy duty jobs, you know, people that work on outside in the concrete, people that do like, you know, working on houses and stuff, because their phones might drop out of their pockets easily, you know, and it's good and protected, guys. Like I said, you don't have to worry about anything. You can go throw this phone up against the wall right now and be good. I'm not going to do that, you know, because, you know, I just got it and I don't want to mess it up already. But rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.